everyone, welcome back to my laboratory today. Today's video it's gonna be a little different. It's especially for people that have motorcycle or car and they have battery problems. I'm gonna show you today a way to charge your battery at home without paying big prices for a battery charger. You know, it's very expensive. You can charge it only using your laptop charger and few more things, but you can find them around your house. Let's go. Alright, what we have here, it's a normal charger, laptop charger. It's 19 volts, 19.5 volts if you see. Okay, this connects 220 volts to the laptop charger. The laptop charger ends here, where I attached two wires, one inside where is plus and one on outside where is minus. You can see which one is plus, which one is minus on the adapter. It says here. In my case, 1 second to focus, it says plus inside and minus outside of the jack. Alright, so I connected two wires. One, the plus, goes to a normal 53 volts light bulb. It's gonna be used as a resistance. You connect plus and plus, it's only gonna be a resistance. You before you go to the battery, you pass it to the bulb, because the laptop charger gives 19.5 and the battery only needs 12 volts, and the light bulb, it's taking the difference. In this moment you can see the so from the light bulb you go with one wire to the plus, from the plus of the charger, from inside, from middle you go to the plus of the battery. I connected as well the measurement device to see in real time how it's charging. And the black wire goes to minus. The black wire is coming from outside of the charger. Yes, and in this moment battery is showing 863 volts. Now if we're gonna connect 220 on this, let's see, I connected 220 to the charger. Look what's happening to the battery. Started to charge. It doesn't have enough power to power on the bulb, the light bulb, but the light bulb in this moment, it's like a resistant, a consumer that reduces the difference from the laptop charger. It's eating like 5 volts. That is the difference. So you see it's going. You can charge your battery, car or motorcycle battery at home. 8.7 is going. 8.8. Also, I recommend you to open one of the, or all of them if you can. I have access to one and it's enough, because when battery is going to be fully charged, it's gonna release some hydrogen, and it's gonna make some pressure inside. You're gonna understand it's fully charged. It's not gonna stop by itself when it's fully charged. You're only gonna notice some noise inside. If you have a bigger battery, you can see like boiling. In that moment, you can see it's fully charged, and you have to remove the wires. Okay, I hope it will help somebody. It's not charging fast. It's gonna take like from my calculation 7 to 10 hours to charge it fully, but you see it's charging. The system is working. So, laptop charger, few wires, light bulb, charger battery.